Hi everyone, so I've got a craft tool here. This is from Inlovearts shop, so make sure you use my code ICEDImages, all in one word. I'll also put links to these in the description below, so make sure you check out those, and if you click on the link then that helps for them to know that you've come from this video. So I then obviously get a little bit of it, so that would be good. It helps the channel out. So yeah, we're going to have a look through. Now this time around I actually ordered some paper pads, which I don't normally do, but I was like, oh, some quite nice ones on there, and it was on the little link they sent me, so I was like, oh good, let's have a look then. So we're going to start with this one, which is called Silk Flowers. So this is the first time that I've looked through these. I haven't actually looked through these at all. This has literally come through my door this morning as I'm filming this. So you've got, oh yes, nice. Lots of oohs and ahs now follows. So you have 2 of each design, and there's how many designs? 12 different designs, 2 sheets of each, 160 GSM, heavyweight cardstock, acid and linen free. So that I like that. It's very nice, very pretty. Then we've got this one, also very pretty. I'm loving these. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Beautiful designs. Love the colours. And I love this, the way they do this, because it almost looks like it's foiled. It's not, but it looks like it's foiled. Then we've got this one here. Very pretty indeed. And then this one here, also very pretty. Loving these colours. Then we've got a bit of an autumnal look. Then we've got this very nice autumnal colours. Pretty, kind of soft as well. Oh, I like the sort of green and the pink. It's a nice look. And oh, I love a bit of teal, you know me. Very nice. And then we've got a bit of purple. And then I think that's the last one. Beautiful. So that is that pack. Do like that a lot. That's very nice. Then with that paper pack I made this card. So really beautiful papers these are. And then inside you've got a little thing that pops up like that, little pop-up panel, and again more papers on the inside there. So another nice and easy card. Again, I think this was an Inlovearts shop die from before, as was all of these as well. Yeah, I'll put up on the screen, well, in the description below, all of these will be listed. So, but yeah, so that's what I did using that paper pack. So the next pack we've got this, which is called Shiny Bright, I think it's shiny. It's spelt with 2 N's rather than 1 M, but you know, hey, never mind. So again, 6x6 pad, 12 different designs, 2 sheets of each, 160 GSM again. So I saw this and I thought I just liked the look of it, with it being kind of a bouquet. I don't know how you pronounce it, but kind of effect. Just look at that. It's like sequins. It's like out of focus sequins. Beautiful. And they're quite nice sort of backgroundy papers. You could use them with all sorts. Oh yeah, I like these. These are very nice. As I said, I haven't looked through any of these. This is me looking through for the first time, but I'm really liking these. Very pretty. Just very subtle, but very pretty. That almost looks like, you know when you use distress inks and then you add splodges of water? That's what that looks like. That's really nice. Look at that. So pretty. Oh yeah. Very pretty and subtle, soft, and yes, we like this. So yeah, so that's that pack. Really like that pack. Very nice indeed. So first up with the dies, I got this die now. I actually originally ordered this for the last craft tool that I did. I actually ordered this, but it wasn't in stock. It's sold out. But I just really like the look of it. So you've got, it's basically a cupcake. I know you can't really see it very well. So that's the top. You'll be able to see it on the card anyway, but it's basically a large cupcake. So you've got the word birthday above, like the what would be the case, and then you've got happy, which is in like almost like the icing part, and then you've got this. So you've got this outer bit, and then this kind of fine detail, and then you've also got a candle. I liked the size on this. You see, this is what I liked about this. So the whole of the base measures 3 inches by about 1.5. And then the cupcake, the whole width with the shadow as well, is about 4 1/8 by about 3 3/4 roughly. And your candle is a decent size. Your candle is 2 1/4 by about 1/2 inch, I would say. Yeah, about 1/2 inch. But I ordered this, as I say, I ordered this in the last craft haul and it didn't come. So I reordered it this time. And thankfully they've got some now. So hopefully it'll still be available. I just like the idea of the fact of how large it was, because I don't have a large cupcake like this. And I also like the fact you got the birthday and the happy that was kind of in integral with it. So yeah, so that is that die. So I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with the paper pack and this cupcake die as well, I've done two things. So I've done a little pop-up card like that, space on the back to write. Really like this die, love the way it cut out. Just really sweet, really nice. And the little candles as well, very cute. And then obviously you can see the papers are beautiful, go really nicely with that die. So that's what I did using that die and the paper pack. Next up we have this one, which is called Bloom in Sky. And I quite like the kind of jewel tones on this one. Look at that. Wow, that's rather stunning. Do like that a lot. Oh yeah, love the depth of colour. These look beautiful. And again, as I said, the kind of gold, it's difficult when you print gold, it's difficult to make it look like gold and not orange or yellow, but these are really looking like, it's almost like they feel like they're foiled, but they're not foiled. They're literally not foiled, but they literally look foiled. Beautiful. Really pretty. Really pretty. They almost look like it's got just, yeah, looks like, you know, like stained glass windows, that kind of effect. Very pretty indeed. Loving the look of these. And the poppy, they're not really poppies, are they? But they're, well, they look a bit like poppies. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. Some blue and gold. Ooh, look at that. Wow, is all I can say. That's beautiful. Wow. I'm loving these. These are gorgeous. Just the depth of colour that you've got. Oh, and then that's the other one. Wow. Okay, so that's that pack. So as I said, all the links for these will be in the description below. So with that paper pad, I made this card. These dies are also in Inlovearts shop. So I've just used the darker based one there on the background and then the lighter one on the pillar. Really pleased how this turned out. Beautiful, beautiful papers. Got space on the back to write. Beautiful dies as well. And I don't know if you remember when I originally ordered this die. This is why I then got this one later, because I knew they were kind of similar. And so it's the first time I've managed to kind of use them on the same card together. So yeah, so that is what I did using that paper pack. So next up we've got this die. Now I thought this was quite cool because it's kind of like a kinetic die. So it's just basically like this little circle with like pie shapes cut out of it and then an arrow. But the idea is you have it as like a spinning wheel. And I just thought that's quite cool. I could think of quite a few different ways to use that. So the actual circle itself measures, it's just under 4 inches, about 3 3/8. And then your arrow is about 2 5/8 by about just over 1/2 inch. But again, I thought you could use your arrow on other things if you wanted to. But I just thought it was quite cool. And even this, you could use this just as a, you know, embellishment on the front of your card. Or just like a, you know, something on the front of your card. I can't get my words out, but you know what I'm trying to say. So I'll show you now what I made using this card. Then with this die, I have done this little spinny thing. And so I've actually just cut some of the little elements out of the papers and stuck them onto the wheel and just added a happy Christmas. And then obviously just got space to write inside. And that's what I did. Nice easy card. That's what I did with that die. And then last of all, we've got these, which are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Now, I did order these, and I think I did look at how big they were, but I didn't realise they were as big as they are. And I'm very glad that they are the size that they are, because they are fantastic. I don't have any gingerbread dies that are this big. And you've got all the little clothing to put on them, the little hats, little vests, candy canes, bows, mittens, little squiggles of icing, hats, scarves, presents, glasses. Oh my goodness. These are fabulous. I think this is one of the best die sets I've had in a... I mean, I've had some fantastic die sets, but this one is just amazing. I just love it. I love it, and they're so cute. And you've got like a little Mrs. one and then a Mr. So cute. So the actual gingerbread men themselves measure... Well, this one's about 2 7/8 by about, let's have a look. It's difficult to kind of see. About 3 3/4 roughly. And then she's about the same. You've got a hat. I mean, you know, even these things on their own you could use. So the little hat is 1.5 inches by 1 1/4. You've got a cute little Santa hat, well, like a bobble hat. She's like 1 3/4 by about 1 inch. You got a little Santa hat, which again you could use on other things, which is about 1 1/4 by about 2 1/4. Your candy cane, that's a good size candy cane, 2 1/4 inches by 1 inch. I mean, you know, like, sorry, this is just me, but that is just the best. I just love it. Oh, I can't wait to get... there's so much you could do with this. Because you've literally got your gingerbread men, and they're big enough that you could have one on the front of a card. Like, literally, you can make... To be honest, you could do like a whole range of Christmas cards just with this one die set. Like, if you want to knock them out, just cut out a shed load of gingerbread men. You don't even have to decorate them. You could just cut out a shed load of gingerbread men, find a nice cute paper like that. I don't know if you remember that Christmas paper I had last year that had gingerbread men on it, and that was from... It was either... I think it was a Coca Rosa one. It was the Coca Rosa or Inlovearts. But yeah, you know what I mean? Use that. Team those two up together. Oh my days, that would just be fantastic. And these candy canes, you could just literally just cut a whole heap of candy canes out and do a card with candy canes on it. Like, just, they're so... I love the size of them because they're so, like, you don't have to worry about filling up space. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. So I'll show you now what I've made using this die set. Had a lot of fun with the gingerbread men, so I actually ended up making 2 cards. So because I really wanted to use all the different accessories that came with it. So I think I've pretty much... I think there's only like 1 or 2 things I missed out. There's a little t-shirt top that I missed out. Apart from that, I pretty much covered them all. This is also an old die from Inlovearts shop. I think it's still available. I will list it down below. So you've got the little Santa hat there, and the glasses, and the little tie. And then inside we've got obviously the candy cane, the little bobble hat, the little icing things, the scarf, the little reindeer horns, not called antlers, that's what they're called. And then you've got her with a little dress, another pair of glasses, there's the little present. And then on this one you've got the little top hat and the moustache, the bow tie. And then inside I've just done a... And that's also a die from previously. Little tree die. So yeah, so that's what I did using that die there. So I hope you enjoyed the craft haul today. Make sure to go and check out Inlovearts shop. Use my code ICEDImages, which will get you 20% off your order. All the links for these products are in the description below. If you click on those links, it will take you through to Inlovearts shop, and then they can register that you've come from this video, which then helps me out and helps the channel out. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.